Herbalife Nutrition Formula One meal replacement shakes were designed to help you manage your weight. Formula One is the #1 meal replacement shake in the world, first and foremost because it's delicious, but also because it's good for you. Each shake contains 21 vitamins and minerals, 17 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber, essential nutrients and vitamins available in a convenient and affordable shake. Formula One shakes are the highest quality shakes you can get. At Herbalife Nutrition, we are committed to ensuring our customers receive the best products at an affordable price. Our shakes work because they're high protein, low calorie, balanced, nutritious shakes. They help you control your portion size, and they help assure that even as you embark on that journey to a healthy weight, that you don't do it at the expense of important essential nutrients. Formula One is an affordable and convenient source of good nutrition. That's because of its nutrient density, meaning every calorie in every shake is loaded with healthy nutrition. And whether it's adding fruit or nuts or vegetables or mixing 2 different flavors to make something unique that only you enjoy, we design our products to support you. You can even use Formula One in your favorite recipes to create something truly unique and nutritious. Whether that's a pancake for breakfast, a refreshing treat on a warm day, or your favorite dessert, the options are only limited by your imagination. With all those essential nutrients packed into Formula One, it's the perfect solution to adding nutrients and vitamins to your everyday meals. Formula One contains soy protein, which is a great source of plant-based, high-quality protein grown on farms that we monitor and visit. From farm to your doorstep, Herbalife Nutrition is dedicated to bringing good nutrition to each and every community.